Alright guys, so I just got back from doing a office duping an office. I just got back from duping an office with my friend Tucky Duck. So what's it? Whatever. This is what I got. My friend still has some, but I got most of it, I think. I'm gonna share it with him. Also, look at this tiny flashbang. Look at all this stuff. I don't want to lose the tiny flashbang, so I'm gonna put it in here. I got flashbangs. I got red flashlights. See, they're all red flashlights. And that was from a balloon. I think it might have been a galaxy egg I put in the dipping machine where the ducks go and the random stuff go, because it gives you if you put eggs in where the ducks go, it fills up the ducks and the random stuff. So both of the bars. And then I put a balloon and to dupe a purple balloon to be exact. And I got a bunch. I mean a bunch of red flashlights. I tried putting a galaxy, purple, red flashlight in to dupe it. I didn't get anything. I got scammed, but yeah, it's fine. Also, my friend put his pickaxe in. I got the OG red and green pickaxe. What, diamond pickaxe? OG red, green, diamond pickaxe. And other cool pickaxes. We put some stuff in. We got cool stuff. We had to get a bunch of key cards. We had to keep getting key cards, and it's kind of annoying, but yeah. Good thing is Mr. Beast never came in that room, like the duping machine area. So that was good. Yeah.